Hey guys, I'm back with another delicious recipe, and today it's gonna be something different, and that is no oven Sooji cake. I'm Chef Aruna from Truffle Nation Baking Academy. So in this video, I'll be teaching you how to make a cake without an oven and with just a handful of ingredients that's probably in your kitchens already. But before starting, it would mean a lot to us and our team if you subscribe to our YouTube channel. Now let's start the recipe by mixing curd and caster sugar together. We'll mix it until they are properly incorporated. Now we'll add in melted butter, vanilla essence and milk, then mix again. So for this recipe, you can replace melted butter with clarified butter or any other vegetable oil. Now we'll add in semolina, also known as Sooji in India, along with some salt. We'll give it a mix. Then cover it with a food-grade plastic wrap and let it rest for 30 minutes. So the reason behind letting it rest for a while is that semolina will absorb liquid and become soft. Meanwhile, we'll prepare our tin, and for that I have taken a 6-inch round tin. You can use any type of tin that you have in your kitchen. So we'll brush oil on the tin and place butter paper at the bottom. I'll place a round ring inside the cooker so that the heat doesn't come in direct contact to the tin, and cover it with a cooker lid. Make sure to remove the gasket from the lid before covering. So our semolina batter has risen up. We'll now sieve in all-purpose flour followed by baking soda and baking powder. And give it a final mix. We'll pour this batter to the tin and place it above the ring, then cover it with the lid. It will take 30 to 40 minutes before the cake is baked properly, and make sure to keep an eye on the cake so that it doesn't get burned. You can see that when we insert a toothpick in the middle, it is coming out clean. So our cake is baked properly. We'll now carefully remove it from the cooker and let it come to room temperature before demolding it. So the cake has completely cooled down. We'll carefully demold it with a palette knife. Now let's take it to the assembly point. So for the decoration, we'll brush cold glaze on top. Then sprinkle some chopped pistachios along with some dried rose petals. We'll also place edible silver leaf randomly. Here you go guys, our no oven Sooji cake is ready to go. I really hope you guys like this recipe and do subscribe to our channel so that you guys can stay updated with my new recipes. Till then, keep baking.